Let's take a look at how to add a new remote to our garage door opener. This is a Liftmaster garage door opener. You can see I've got this remote. If they get out of sync or you got a new one, if you press it, it's not going to make the door do anything. So the first thing we want to do is just look at the back of our unit. Sometimes there's a little door you have to open to get to the controls. What we're looking for is this big button. It might say learn, or it might just be like a big button like this one. So we're just going to press that once. You can see that little light's going to come on. And within 30 seconds, we just want to press the button on here. And when I do that, it's going to blink the lights on the garage door opener. And that's telling me that this is now synced, and it's a secure link between them. So again, press the button, the little light will come on, then you press this button on your remote. You'll see the lights blink in most cases, or there'll be some indicator that it's synced. And now when I press this, it's going to go ahead and operate the garage door. So very simple process to sync these up, and you can do it in about probably 30 seconds once you figure it out. The only thing I would say is, sometimes these are on the ceiling of your garage, the actual motor unit here. So, get a step ladder, just be very careful climbing up to access that and to do that setting. But, if you do that safely, it's just super easy to set up and sync these together.